What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video gonna learn how to add this hamburger mobile menu navigation style into your WordPress website desktop version. So we're gonna learn how to do this menu style instead of this traditional navigation menu style. A lot of people and a lot of site designs prefer this little menu style to open the menu navigation onto the desktop even without the mobile version, okay? And WordPress lets you do this into a very simple and effective method for free. And this is what you're gonna learn into this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us, because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics, not just internet and site favors. So let's get this started. Very first thing to do is navigate your WordPress dashboard. Review the left sidebar of menus and hover your mouse over appearance. You can click on themes and make sure that we're using a full site editor theme like 2024 for example, okay? And for extra features you can go to Enzo WordPress theme by Visual Modo. So after this, click on editor submenu, okay? Still on the left sidebar of menus. Wait while page loads. It can take a while. Then click into any section of your menu, for example right here. Now click again and review the bottom left corner of your screen. Edit your template to edit this block. Click on edit template button. Now we're going to be editing the template. We're going to select the menu just like this and select the menu like this in order to select all the menu headings. Now review the right sidebar of menus. There is an option to edit navigation, settings and style, okay, into the block, okay. We're gonna move to settings with this gear icon. Then scroll down, display, click into this mobile version right here. We can choose two styles, okay, and now we can see overlay menu off, mobile or always. Normally it's set to mobile, so it can load only this version of the menu, the mobile version, into the mobile version of the site. We can disable this to make the mobile site loads the default menu, but we can set always. This is gonna make the menu loads into the same way into both versions of your site, the mobile version and the desktop version. After doing this, click on save and click on save again. Okay, now let's review the results we got. And here is our website menu. Simple, easy and very effective. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Remember that you can change the style of the icon to this one, for example. Let me save to show you. With just two little lines, okay? But I really prefer this 3 lines one, okay? We can also show the icon or enter only with the name, okay? For example, menu. Simple, right? And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out our borderless plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Elementor or Gutenberg, or Enzo WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme that you can install to customize your site in the way that you want. Or Growth.net platform, a place where we can promote your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts, all for free. In addition, we for Sites.gallery, there is a place where we can submit your blog, your page, your landing page, your game, your app to be awarded. It's a CSS gallery. And finally, in the case that you want to go premium while doing your site, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass and unlock full access to your entire templates library, with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition, for premium icons, blocks, settings, plugins, and many more features. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!